In the 2018 Chrysler Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, keyless start, aluminum wheels, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, rear defrost. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.